Right, there goes the 1539, going to Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central from London Euston. $354.02. 391.22 is going down to London Euston. It is 78.09. Right, there's Pride 391.19. That is on an Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central, I think. Is that the Glasgow one? Not sure. There goes the 1545. We're going to Northwestern Railway service to Bedford from Bletchley. 151.41. Well, there's another Avanti West Coast Pennsylvania going down to London Euston. I'm not sure what the numbers are on that. Well, that's the London Euston Manchester Piccadilly Avanti West Coast. 391.57 that one is. Well, here comes Wembley Tunstead. 66.621. Right, here's Crewe to London Euston, London Northwestern Railway. 352.59 and 352.41. There's London Euston, Glasgow Central. 391.31. Right, here's Manchester Piccadilly, London Euston, Avanti West Coast. 391.24. Right, another Avanti West Coast Penderino there. I believe that one is the Manchester Piccadilly service from London Euston. Right, there's 354.05 on the 1602 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton from London Euston. It is connected to 354.09. Right, earlier my phone decided not to work, so we did get a number 351.25, and that was on the earlier Milton Keynes Central that cut out, and obviously 402 is on the back, and that's on the 1605 London Northwestern service to London Euston or Milton Keynes. Right, here's London Birmingham Avanti West Coast 390.016. Right, here's the 1610 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. 351.14 is leading. Connected to 351.02. This train is very busy. Well, there goes the Avanti West Coast service to I'm not sure where that one's going actually. Not sure of the numbers, but there's another Avanti West Coast Penderino to London Euston. There goes the 609 London Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central only from London Euston. 351.20 is on the front. Connected to 351.30. Right, here's the Avanti voyages from Holyhead to London Euston. 221.102 and 221.103. Avanti West Coast. We have two freight trains at the same time. 6727, are you? down to Dornsmore from Devon to Gillett. Not sure what this freight train is. There's the cruise service behind as well, runs the Northwestern Railway. Oh, that's so annoying, that was a 90. Right, here's a London Euston Manchester Piccadilly Avanti West Coast. 390042. Right, here's Edinburgh London Euston Avanti West Coast. 390104. Right, running 42 minutes late for Avanti West Coast. There's Glasgow Central London Euston. 390136. Here's the 1632 London Northwestern Rail service from Milton Keynes Central London Euston. 35130. Connected to 35120. Right, here's a Liverpool line through London Euston. Right, here comes an Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Preston on Test. 805004. Right, there's London Euston, Birmingham New Street. 39043, I think that was. Right, here's London Euston, Manchester Piccadilly, Avanti West Coast. 39006, I think that was. Is that 006 or is that 016? 046. Right, by the time it gets out, we're in about 10 minutes late. It's 1632, London Northwestern Rail service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton from London Euston. Get the other numbers when it gets out, but I'm going to stay on the platform for the next one to Milton Keynes, which will be quieter. Right, off goes that late London Northwestern to Birmingham. Now it's 119 on the front set. What's on back end? Yeah, 119 and 240. Right, 15137 is going on the 1645 London Northwestern Rail service to Bedford from Bletchley. Right, here comes, oh, we've got a bloody 35243 is my train out of here, and that'll conclude the video. Not sure what's on the back. 1639 service. You know what, let's sit in the former first class section.